Welcome all of you. So today you will going to learn about the square wave generator. So okay, as it is the sine wave generator, so this is a video you are going to learn about the square wave generator. So no function generator is used. So this is circuit diagram as per the square wave generator. You have closely look about that one operational amplifier. So two terminal is connected to that one capacitors. The capacitor is a 0.01 microfarad, 0.01, or normally if you have see the capacitance, okay, 103. So it is nothing but a 0.01. So look like this is the size of the capacitors. The next one, I am going to use only 3 resistance in that circuit diagrams, only 3 resistance. So I am equally selected the resistance. Previously I have used 4.7 kilo ohm. Okay, you can use, or you will going to use the equally range. So I am selected 10 kilo ohm, 10 kilo ohm, 10 kilo ohm. So connection is make as per the given circuit diagrams. Yes, we will going to make this connection as per the given circuit diagram is make on that one. Okay, the output terminal is a 6 with respect to the ground. So 6th terminal and with respect to the ground. So you have see that one, the waveform. So the waveform is a square waveform is generated. I will going to closely look about that ones. What is the value of the square waveform? So you will going to measure it. So what about the time period, how many blocks it will going to consume about that time period as well as amplitude. So you have see that once. So this is about the total entire setup of about the square wave generator. So no function generator is used. So circuit diagram is as per the circuit diagram we are going to make the connections. Square wave generator. Okay, so if I have look it, so second terminal is connected one capacitance to the ground. So if I have look it down that one, so second terminal, so second terminal, this is second terminal, so through one capacitance it is a grounded. So another of the second terminal, okay, another okay, in that second terminal another element is it is connected directly to that, it is a point number 6. So one resistance is connected to the 6th terminals. Okay, one resistance is connected to the 6th terminals. Okay, the next is 6th terminal to the ground through 10 kilo ohms. So 6th terminal, if I have to look it, there are 2. Okay, from here to 10 kilo ohm and 10 kilo ohm to 10 kilo ohm is seriously connected to the ground. So this is a common ground I am used. Okay, in the center point is connected to the third point. So third pin. So this is only simplest circuit diagrams as connected. Okay, so you will going to produce for that result. So for example, I will going to switch off, I will going to remove the connections. Once switch off, your waveform is become a 0. So here see that once I will going to remove, you will going to understand. So I will going to plus VCC from the 7th terminal I have removed. From the 4th terminal minus VCC is a 12 volt, minus 12 volt removed. So another one is a common ground I have removed about that once. The next one, terminal number 6 is the CRO plus terminal. So 6th terminal I have removed. Another one is a ground terminal I am going to remove. Okay, so then what is the remaining? So if I have see that one, terminal number 2. So terminal number 2 is connected to the capacitance to ground. So capacitance to the terminal number 2, capacitance to the ground is connected. So I have removed on the terminal number 2. Yes, another same terminal number 2 is one resistance. Okay, connected to the 6th terminal. Okay, connected to the 6th terminal. If I have see that one, terminal number 2, one resistance, this is a resistance 10 kilo ohm I am used connected to the 6th terminals. Okay, the next one, what is there? So here 6th terminal to the ground through 10 kilo ohm resistance, 10 kilo ohm resistance. So terminal number 6th terminal to, okay, one series resistance to ground. In the center point is connected to the pin number 3. So that's all about that connection of that. This is a square wave generator. Thank you.